In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF download in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional button that lets visitors download your PDF with a single click. Perfect for brochures, menus, guides, or any document you want to share. First, open your website and head to the Pages panel. Choose the page where you want the PDF download to live. Pick a spot that makes sense for your visitors, like a resources page, a product details page, or even your home page if the document is essential. The clearer the placement, the easier it is for people to find and use. Next, click Edit on that page and move to the exact section where the button should appear. Think about visibility and spacing here. Place it near related content and avoid tucking it where it might be overlooked. If you're using columns or a specific layout, aim for a spot with enough room so the button looks balanced and easy to tap on mobile. Now, add the button. Click Add Block, choose the button block, and drag and drop it into the area you selected. A block placeholder will appear to guide you. You can position it above or below text, nest it in a column, or center it for emphasis. The goal is to make it obvious and inviting without crowding your design. Double-click the button to open its settings. Here, update the button text so it's clear and action-oriented. Short labels work best, like Download PDF, View Brochure, or Get the Guide. Then, set up the link. This is where the magic happens. Change the link type to File. You'll see an option to upload your PDF. Select your document from your computer and upload it. Once it's added, Squarespace will host the file and attach it to the button. When visitors click, their browser will either open the PDF in a new tab or download it, depending on their settings. If you already uploaded the file before, you can choose it from your file library instead of uploading again. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Use a descriptive file name so it's easy to recognize, and keep the file size reasonable for faster loading. If your site uses different templates, the labels may vary slightly, but the flow is the same. And that's all. Your PDF download button is ready to go.